Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I got an email yesterday or late last night from one of my users group. It's the shortwave antenna group. And the gentleman posted some links to some mini whip antennas from China. And one of the links was to AliExpress, which you see right here. And so here is a mini whip antenna, active antenna. It says for HF, LF, and VLF. Okay. It's $34, this particular one, and free shipping. And there's the configuration, which looks like this is the antenna part. This is some coax cable with B and C connectors. This is the box that has the electronics, which you provide 12 volts, and then here is the cable that comes down to your radio. And here's a picture, one picture of the box. Little switch on the side right here, and a ground plug right here. There they are, side by side, and then back to that one. Okay, let's see what it says. The frequency range 10 kilohertz to 30 megahertz, powered by 12 to 15 volts. Feed line 50-100 ohm, coax cable up to 100 meters. Now, it doesn't really tell you how long the cable that is included is. Reviews? All 4 stars and above. Take it with a grain of salt. Normally arrived. Will be tested. Oh, that's not much of a review. Perfect, well-packed, fast delivery. Antenna not tested. I think these are bogus. Here we go. Just super. The antenna arrived quickly in just 12 days. It was packed. Blah 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 blah. Build antenna. Build quality is good. The seller told me to buy, blah, blah, blah. And then down here, he's got his impressions of its use on a Texan S200 on shortwave. Difference between a piece of wire and this whip antenna outside the window was quite significant. Well, it would be. Probably even a piece of wire outside. Then I tried it on our RSP2 dongle and shortwave where stations that without the antenna were not visible. Yeah, no antenna on our RSP dongle. You ain't gonna get squat. Reception strength was very happy. Okay, so he was happy. Rubber, not tested. Jeez. Thank you very much. No, his reviews are bogus. Okay, but they all are good reviews. I couldn't find one that actually said anything negative. Okay, what else can we say? Okay, let's go down here. That's just one. Now, if you come down here, the bottom, here are some other similar products. Here is a couple of SDRs. Here's a antenna for listening to ADS from aircraft. A couple more SDRs. Here's a similar antenna, but it's a little cheaper, but it might have, let's just look at it quickly, might have shipping cost. Nope, free shipping. Looks like the same darn thing, but cheaper. And the reviews are, well, let's see what kind of notes he's got. To place the antenna as high as possible. Place this mini whip antenna PCB inside suitable closure of your choice. Wait a minute. Picture shows it's enclosed. I'm not sure what that means. For maximum sensitivity, the ground plane of the PCB must not be lower than the top of the mast. Okay, install the manip on the well-grounded mast, ground, place ferrite cores at the beginning and end of the cables to block. Oh boy, it's like you got to add a lot of other stuff to it. I'm a little confused. Package, one board, 6-meter male connector, and 8 beds. This is a little confusing. Let's see, there's a picture that somebody sent in. Okay, there's the box. There's the coax. I think it's all there. It's just some of the description here is a little confusing. Let's go and see what else there is. Maybe there's another one. Okay, no. Look for antennas. There's the $34 one. I don't think that's the one we looked at before. Maybe it is, yeah. 62 sold of this one. There's another antenna. I've seen people that have reviewed that one. Here's another one. They have quite a few antennas. Here's another one. Another one. Another one. Let's see if I can contact them. They have sent me other things in the past to review. Oh, here's another antenna. Let me just click on that one real quick. This is just a box and a long wire. That's $85. Whoa. I don't understand why that one's so expensive. It just looks like a matching device and a long wire antenna. Anyway, as I was saying, I think I will contact them. Oh, there's another one. Good grief. And see if they will send me some of these antennas, because they've sent me stuff to review in the past. If you're familiar with any of these antennas, please leave a comment. I'd appreciate it. And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this show, and have a great day. Bye-bye.